Hey guys, so yeah, I'm sure judging by the thumbnail or title or whatever this video is, um, yeah, car is all full of all of the fit parts. Everything I ever kept. Kind of like memories, I guess. Turning this car into a little track car. But yeah, this is weird. This is it. This is it. Just, one more sit in the track fit. Yeah, this is all kind of happened pretty fast. So before I really get into it, I'm gonna make sure the car is good to go. And yeah, we're selling it. We're selling the Fit. So yeah, I'll sit down with you guys and kind of explain, I guess. So yeah, the goal with the Fit was simple. It was get a car, build it for the track, and track it. And that's what I did. When you think of like goals being part of your car journey, I haven't hit goals with the Miata yet, and I haven't hit goals with the GTI yet, but the Fit, within the 2 years that we've had it, I hit goals with it. I did what I wanted to do, took it to the track, I took it autocrossing. Maybe I didn't do it enough, but basically I drove the car at the last couple events. I was driving the car less and less, and I was leaving these events realizing that I was just spending more money on the car, and I really wasn't having as much fun as I did when I first got the car. And I felt like, as someone who's never sold a car outside of just trading it in for the next one, I thought maybe this is a good time to get another bit of experience with the Fit. Not only did I buy it secondhand, private owner, now I'm selling it as the private owner, private party sale. So this is still new. And I hope you guys understand that this is not like something I've taken super lightly. It's a big deal to sell a car. And I know there's a ton of you guys that have followed this channel since the Fit, and we're excited about it. And I hope that all the videos we've made on the Fit have gotten you excited every morning when you see the videos upload. I hope you've enjoyed the Fit on the channel, but it's time for it to go, and it's time for me to do something different. Fit will always be my first Honda, my first dedicated track car. It's gonna be the first car that I've gutted the interior in. I mean, we truly turned it into a little race car, and it's gonna continue its life being a race car. I didn't wanna just sell it to somebody. I listed it for sale. Somebody messaged me and said they will bring their trailer and come get it. They live down in Austin. All their profile pictures were of them at COTA, and they're buying the car for a track autocross toy for him and his friends, which I just think that's awesome. I think the car deserves to be driven as much as it can by multiple people, and I wasn't driving it enough. I wasn't having as much fun at events. It's going to a better home than it is right now, sitting in the driveway. And I think it was just kind of time. It was just kind of time It happened very fast. I got the car 2 years ago, and we've been building it up, fixing the transmission. I mean, we did tons of stuff. If you guys followed the series, you'll know how much work we put into this car. I put a lot of money into this car, and I'm actually in a position to get most of that money back from the sale, which I think it's just the right time. And I hope you guys can understand that. I'm not trying to be like emotional about it. I know there's probably going to be some of you who are going to unsubscribe or won't ever watch another video again, and that's fine. I 100% get it. Rest assured that I gave this car new life, and I very, very, very much enjoyed it. It was an awesome experience to have. If you guys have never had a Honda Fit, go get one and go rip it around. They're cheap and fun. And everyone who does have a Honda Fit, I mean, I hope you're enjoying it more than I have. Not that I didn't. I really, really, really enjoyed the car. It was so much fun. It was really cool to buy new parts and experience new things. And yeah, it was an awesome ride. But it's time now, so I don't really know what else to say. Let's go take it over to the new owner, I guess. Goodbye, Fit. It was nice having you. So the Fit is gone. Yeah, it's going to a really great home though. Shout out to the new owners. One of them was subscribed to me on YouTube. He has an NC as well. It's going to a couple of track instructors who are gonna share the Fit with even more people than I could. Probably, you know, more people out on track with it, more driving. It's going to a really great place, and I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good about it. No regrets. I knew I was gonna sell the car. I knew I wasn't keeping it long term. That doesn't mean I'm not gonna ever get another Fit. They're awesome cars, but I would like a little bit cleaner one. I knew what I was getting into with the blue car, but I would get back into another Fit, but we'll see. That begs the question, what's next? I've got some ideas churning. I've got some cool ideas churning. I think you guys will be excited about it either way, especially if you like the Miata content. I think it's gonna be pretty cool. Or we move on to something new entirely. The Fit was a new experience for me. This was kind of my first little foray into Hondas. And I don't know, a Civic would still be cool. A newer SI, like the 8th gen Civics were always kind of a cool little car that have a soft spot for me too. So there's lots of options. Nothing is gonna happen in like the next video or anything like that, but you guys will be there for the journey, and I appreciate you guys being here for the journey of the Honda Fit. While I am a little bummed, like I said, no regrets. And again, I hope you guys aren't too bummed out about the Fit. I hope you stick around for more content because we're doing all kinds of car stuff. And that doesn't mean there won't be more Hondas. Who knows? We'll see. Go down in the comments below and leave your comments on what we should get into next. But I'm gonna close out the video here. Thanks so much for watching, guys. It was a hard one, but well appreciated. The Fit was appreciated, and it was a solid car to have on the channel. So hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, leave your comments, and I will see you guys in the next one.